This video will we will try to see how to capture any netlink packets. So for that I'm just creating an interface like this, creating a dummy interface. Sudo ip link add dum if type is dummy. If you see, dummy interface will be created. Sorry, it will create with this dum ifac. So this interface is created, and then I'm just adding an IPv6 address to that. Then I'm renaming this to Ethan. So I just want to find out the flow of this when I'm renaming this to Ethan. So the steps are, we have to create a netlink first. So what we have to do is use this command ip link add any name you can give. We are going to create a type NL monitor, netlink monitor. So now you see it will create a interface. So this interface will start capturing the netlink command, but this is down, so we will make it up first. So sudo ip link set dev NL mon up. So see, now this interface has come up. So the purpose of this interface, you see, it is IPsec unspec. So it will capture all the, we'll just capture and we'll try to understand, take the packet out and we'll understand. So now I'm going to capture this packet using this tcpdump -i. All the outputs I'm going to capture in the netlink.pkm. So this file I'm doing when I'm executing this command. So when I'm executing this command, what happens? The netlink. Netlink is nothing but the packet from kernel, and so I give an enter. Now it starts capturing. I think it has captured. So it has captured 55 packets. So if you see here, in this what has happened is it has deleted this interface, and it has created a new Ethan interface. Now we will capture the packet. We'll take the packet outside and we will check. So this is the capture netlink packet. So here if you click on protocol, you can find all the protocols packet. See, all are netlink related packets. This is netlink, this is netlink generic. These are all routes. So we have sent packet with respect to route. So all the route netlink packet should come here. So these are the 3 different packets. Now we will just check general packet. So this is general netlink packet. So this is Linux header, generic, and this netlink packet. It just says the end of the thread and it gives the port ID and the date. So this is nothing, not useful for us. This is a generic header. This also does not have any useful data for us. We'll go to the route. So this is netlink route, see, RT netlink. So this is the packet which is sent. So this is length is the one. We get the network interface info. The flag used is this one. Acknowledges dump filter. So this creates the interface that gets the information, and this one creates the interface. You can see the name. Device type is loopback, and you can see the device name. So it creates the loopback interface for the device. So all these are for loopback. This is one more create interface. So this should be for, this is for ENP680. So like that you can capture, see now we have captured the packet and we are able to see the MTU and everything. If any issue you get in the netlink, you can just capture. See, this is for router docker 0. So this is for the device NL, whatever the interface which we have created. So like that you can check all the route related commands. So we have checked ETH10. So like this, if you check, you can find the ETH10 related information. And just showing all the interface things. See, so we have, what we have done here is we have created new interface, right? So it is create new interface, and this interface family, interface device type, what is safe index? Safe index is 109, right? So at least we can just check capture. So for ETH10, it has given the if index as 109. So now we'll check in the node whether it is correct. So you go to this path, sys class net. Inside that, ETH10 is created. So now we'll go inside this and we can check. Now if index should be 109. So the kernel has given 109, so we have also got 109. We can also check this command with use this command ip link show 109 ETH10. Like this also you can check. So this is how you can verify the cross verify this by doing a packet capture. This is a very useful tool. I'll just recap it. Actually what you have to do is just to create a NLMon type. Mainly the type is NLMon. This can be any name, and just make it up and try to capture the packet. So this will give all the route related netlink calls. Not only route, generic and all the netlink calls. If you want to try learn about netlink, you can just capture the packet and do some actions related to netlink. Just add route, delete route, and you can capture the packet and try to understand. Thank you.